Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about this book that is called Sherlock Holmes, Baker Street Boys, The Case of the Limehouse Laundry. And this is a series and it's very, very good. And the author for this book is called Anthony Reed. And now I'm going to talk about this book. It's so that the Baker, like it says here, Baker Street Boys, they are like detectives and they work with Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson. But this time Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson, they're not home right now. The Baker Street Boys, they have a flower girl that's called Rosie. She buys flowers, sells flowers, so they get money. It's like it's going good for the Baker Street Boys, but they do not have any like crimes to solve, but they're going to get one. Rosie's best friend Lily is gone. She does not come home. She does not come with Rosie to the flower place where they buy flowers. She's gone. So someone had taken her and she's gone. Nobody has seen her. And then they're going. And now they have gotten a case. One day when they're talking about how Lily and what has happened to her, that day Rosie doesn't come home. So how is it now? Rosie and Lily is gone now. Where are they? They do not know. But Sparrow, a person, he has a friend where he jobs or where he works at like a cooking place with Chinamen, and he has a China friend that is called Lee. And Lee, he gives Sparrow food that Sparrow might think it's very, very hot and spicy. But Sparrow gets now a friend that's called Lee, and one person that is friend with Lee, or a Chinaman there, says when he gets to know that Lily and Rosie is gone, he says in not so very good English, find dragon, something with a dragon, and dragon does not exist, or does it? Then they get they see a van and start running after it, and two persons get left behind because one of them had his ankle. He had sprayed his ankle, so it hurt, you could say. So he couldn't run, and a person stayed with him. And another one, it's so like they see the persons go away, or they open the doors and they're going away to take a thing, and then they look into the van and see something in there. What is it? I'm not going to tell you, but then these two persons, Chinamen, actually see them and run after them. Three of the boys. One person had somehow got into, he had come into the van, and he's hiding there now. And so this person does not know this, but he came to a place that's called Limehouse Laundry. And this is for it's Chinamen that they host like a, how should I say, a party with a dragon in it. But these two that there is 3 persons that had run away from these 2 men. They get like a friend that's called Enoch. He tells them, I can take you to a place that's called Limehouse Laundry. Maybe that will help you on the case. But these 2 persons that had stayed behind, they went to Sherlock Holmes to see, is he home now? And he's home. And they tell him everything that they know. And then Sherlock Holmes says, I know where I need to go. They follow Sherlock Holmes, but more you will not know right now. It's so that these 3 persons, they're looking for Rosie, they're looking everywhere, but they do not find Rosie and Lily and some other flower girls. But they see a boat, and one of them says, wait here, I'm going to go into the boat and try to find Rosie and the other flower girls. They say okay, and then he looks and guess where the other person is that had hidden in a van. Who is it? Or where is he? He's on the boat, and he knows where Rosie is specifically. But they find all the flower girls, but these 2 men see or find the find these 3 boys, or 2 boys. And the flower girls jump on him, but they make it. And Sherlock Holmes came there, and now he had saved the day, and they had saved all the flower girls, including Rosie, and everything's good again. And that's how this is the case of the Limehouse Laundry. And that was all for this book. But this book is so good, so interesting. And my favorite characters for this book is the Baker Street Boys. And this book gets 4 stars. And my next book is another English book, I think. But bye bye.